I need a 1/4-inch bolt.
I only have 2/8.
Then we have what we need.
Oh, excuse me. Make that 3/12.
Not again, Don.
Let's look at this measuring tape. We've got 4.5 inches on this measuring tape. But you'll also notice that this measuring tape has increments of 1/4 inches. Whoa, now that is fancy. So you can clearly see here that 4.5 inches is also, well, how many quarters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Haha, 4 quarters. Yeah, Shane, yeah, 4 quarters, Shane. That's your whole dollar. We've got 2 quarters. So when we compare these two measuring tapes together, you can see that 4 and 2 quarters is the same thing as 4.5. So 4 and 2 quarters of an inch is the same thing as 4.5 inches.
Haha, that's pretty easy. Let's do a tougher one.
Yeah, Shane, let's do a tougher one, Shane. If you have 4 and 1/4 of an inch, well, you'll also notice that this measuring tape goes even more granular with the eighths. That's right. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8, or 1 whole inch. Whew. Each inch is divided equally into eighths, and you can see that 4.25 is the same thing as 4 and 2/8. Whoa. It doesn't always have to be 4, but for the sake of this exercise and this illustration, we've just got 4. So 4, thanks, 4.25 is the same thing as 4 and 2/8 of an inch, or any measurement really. It could be 4.25 cups, 4.25 gallons, 4.25 miles. 1/4 is the same thing as 2/8. Let's go another layer deeper. This measuring tape breaks it up into 16 equal pieces. Each inch can be divided into 16 equal parts. We have, 2 and 6/16. Woo, that was a tough one. My age and my eyesight, I tell you. Okay, 2 and 3/16. Yep. Nope. Let's do 6/16. 2 and 6/16. Well, that's clearly 2 and 3/8. We can count out the hatch marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you look at the bigger hatch marks there that's used for the eighths. Yeah, Shane. So 2 and 6/16 is equivalent to 2 and 3/8. Woo! Let's do an easier one. We need a break from all this tough stuff here. Yeah, Shane, man. Okay, so we got 2 and 3/4 of an inch. How many eighths are 3/4? Yeah, Shane. If we want to make equivalent fractions here and compare them on this number line using our nifty measuring tape, 2 and 3/4. Oh, yes, Shane. That's the same thing as 6/8. So we have 2 and 6/8, or 2 and 3/4. Should we do another one? Yes. For those who are in the Greater Gators class, we will see you momentarily.
Keenumbers.
All right, Greater Gators class, never fear. We're gonna do another problem here. What about 7 and 8/16?